Now then, children, let's not make a fuss.
Look at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
Family like this isn't strong, still you won't poke fun. All of you must get along. He's a special son. Now come along, all of you, and follow me. Stay close behind at all times, or you may get trodden on. And beware of the cats.
Look at him. Legs are bendy and the knees are not. Look at him. Got a top sleeve eggshell shop. Bet the neighbors scream and howl when they see our brood. He's a balanced waterfowl.
Why are you so rude?
Touchy.
Morning, Maureen.
Hello, Ida. Hello, Drake. Oh, what a splendid brood. Tell me, did the big one have shot on right? Look at him. Come on, Ida, tell me what went wrong. Look at him. Did you leave him in the egg too long?
I admire you for your pluck, strictly ingenue. He may be no thin of duck, neither, dear, are you.
What? I must get going. I think the children from the farmhouse are throwing French bread into the water. Sounds stray chic, and I don't want to miss out.
Look at you, look at me, what's it matter?
Isn't it obvious?
Why do I make you all laugh and scoff?
Have you seen your monster?
Why don't we play with the fishes?
Because you scare them off.
Look at him. You admit he is a bit extreme.
Now our parents will start quibbling him.
Just a variation on a theme.
Ugly sibling.
I want to see my son left down on a limb. Why is it that everyone has to dear?
There's your answer, dear.
Look at him.
Peck, 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 peck. I'd hate to be picky, but the dad peck, peck looks a little bit dicky. Look at him. Brat, did you ever see a pig with wings? Look at him. Brat, don't genetics do the strangest things? Though the thought may not appeal, break the ties that bind. If you gave the cat a meal, nobody would mind. Brat!
Line up, everyone. Short ones in front. Look at him. He's an ugly one, there is no doubt. Go, 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 go. Look at him. Does he have his giblets inside out? Go, go, go. What does one explain his look being quite so rough? How on earth will gourmet cooks know agenda stuff?
Look at him, look at us sing, look at friends. Look at us play so much.
Sometimes we find it is kinder if some eggs never hatch.
Now that's what I call a snack.
Look at him. Still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him. Finest cat food that I ever saw. Better still, he won't be missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they'll let me assist, giving him the chop. Now, in a moment, you all be presented to her grace, the most distinguished duck on the lake. She was once paired with a mandarin, and you'll notice that she has a red band of cloth around her wrist. That is the greatest distinction a duck has. It means that she's loved up to by both men and animals.
Now don't turn your toes in. Just bow your head politely and say quack.
Look at him